Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to listen to the radio on your Firestick. Last week I showed you how to listen to music on your Firestick. So today I'm gonna show you how to listen to the radio on your Firestick, folks. It's completely free and legal to do. It's not hard to set up. I can't wait to show you it, so let's get to it.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel, ding the notification bell, press like on all of his videos, share the video, and follow him on all his social media.
Okay, so as I said before, the intro is not too hard to set up. All you need is an app called Suning. So to get Suning on your Firestick, all you need to do is go to find, then search, then in search you're gonna type Suning, and as you see, Suning radios there, and it's this one there, you guys, Suning radio. Click on that, click download, and this radio service is completely free, absolutely free, and it has every radio station you could imagine, folks. Honestly, it's unbelievable. So when wait for that to download and install, then let's click on open to take a look. Right, so basically this is it. You have pop in the stations in your area. So as you can see in my area, these are the pop in the radio stations. So if I wanted to say play one, I would click the center button and that will stop playing. You have local radio, obviously it'll be local to you, but what you can do, if you don't see a radio station, you can go to search, and let's say I wanted to listen to BBC Radio 2. Type BBC Radio 2. And as you can see, I can ask BBC Radio 2 podcasts and episodes. I'm not sure why Radio 2's not so just for BBC Radio, and I don't think they have BBC Radio, but if I were to search for, and I can actually use a voice assistant, capital, there's capital, why not? And I can play capital, and I can choose my local capital from this in my case is that one, finding here. I click on that, and all you do, really basic, all you got is stop, play, stop, play, and then there you go. So really basic app soon. But one the search for an American one. I don't know many American ones, but I'm just gonna try Fox Radio. So there's Fox News Radio. I can click it and I can just explain that right now. A radio from America. You don't need a VPN. This application is completely licensed, free, and pretty much has all radio stations across the globe, guys. So I hope you did enjoy that video. If you did, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye.